Okay, so
Okay.
Faizan, how are you? How is life going?
Yeah, I'm fine. Everything is good. And now I'm still enjoying my life.
Okay, so Faizan, so far I have gone through your profile. So right now you are looking after SAP PM, right?
Basic. Okay. G.
Okay, so
Exactly.
could you kindly tell me something about SAP PM?
Sorry. SAP
SAP PM,
PM.
yes.
Yeah. Basically, I am working in a General Tire and Rubber Company of Pakistan, and we are using SAP PM module for the plant maintenance. In this module, we basically schedule preventive maintenance of all the equipments, prepare maintenance share plans, and also monitor the different maintenance reports like breakdown reports, cost analysis reports, and breakdown analysis, and even different types of other things like keeping track of different requisitions, inventories, like these things.
Okay, so what is breakdown maintenance?
Breakdown maintenance is basically a failure of equipment suddenly without any indication, which hurdles the production process. Spontaneously breakdown of equipment basically is a breakdown maintenance.
Okay, can you tell me what is the uh, refurbishment process? Refurbishment process?
Sorry,
My question is, what is a
for which
refurbishment process?
refurbishment of what?
I just want to know the
It's
process of
basically refurbishment is something like that to fulfill. Yeah,
refurbishment is defined as
refurbishment
this
of inventories.
process to repair spare parts and to return the spare parts to the
Oh,
warehouse
okay,
or the equipment.
okay, okay. Where mostly the basically mechanical components are just repairable in our workshops, like welding or different type of different machining processes on lathe machines, drilling, milling, something like that, and it can be reused on machine also. Uh, and as far as electronic components are concerned, we sent it to electronic lab. They checked it properly and then rectified the faults and then resubmitted it to inventory store, which will ultimately result in cost reduction because next time the component will be issued, it will be charged on zero value because we
Okay.
re-entered the part on zero value. Once it is issued, then it will be charged, and then if we repaired it, then it will be re-entered on a zero value. So the next time we will issue, it will doesn't hurt us.
Okay, so can you tell me what is maintenance planning and what are the different types of maintenance planning?
Maintenance planning is something like that. We have to steady the machine to know what is needed at the correct time, like greasing, bearing replacement, or gearing proper gearing mechanisms checkup and like that. For this, we read out the manuals, prepare daily chart sheets against it, and then use it on the SAP module for the scheduling. Then it will show us the call dates of the maintenance processes. Then we carried out the maintenance, preventive maintenance on that.
Okay. Okay, so how to configure the integration of PP and PM where it is being done in SPR? What are the prerequisite and what are the steps?
For planning.
Yes, yes.
Uh, uh, Basically, first of all, we start from the manual checkups, as I mentioned earlier, from the manuals. Then we prepare, then we use different T codes on SAP module, like IP10 for scheduling, IP41 for creation of cycle, maintenance cycle. How long does it carried on? I mean, after every week, after every month, we have to set the frequency on the cycle plan in IP41. Then we move to IP10, where we schedule it, and then use IP24 for reviewing scheduling.
Okay, so when you mistakenly enter wrong master data for an equipment, how do you manage this?
There are certain options in SAP module, like we can skip a call if we reschedule it incorrectly. Then we can skip that call and then recorrect in IP using different T codes like IP route for changing maintenance cycle plan, so that we can recorrect its frequency.
Which maintenance plan is suitable for managing outline service agreement, and what call object are required?
Sorry, I can't get your answer question. Kindly repeat.
My question was, which maintenance plan is suitable for managing outline service agreement?
Outsource servicing activity or
Outline service agreement.
something like that.
Yes.
Normal, we use single cycle plan for these type of services.
Okay. Okay, so how do you create activity type in plan maintenance?
Basically, we can create different types of task lists. Depend on the functional location. Either we can create it on its equipment function location, or either it can be created as a general task list, or either it can be created as an equipment task list. There are different T codes for that, like IEA05 for general task list, IEA01 for equipment, and IEA11 for functional task lists. So we can create this type of task lists for the equipments. Like if there are different type of equipments, then we will use IEA01 for separate equipment, and then assign these task lists to that equipment. Whenever the order will create, it will automatically retrieve that task list for that equipment.
Okay, thank you. So can you tell me what are the different reports under plan maintenance information system?
There are different reports, like I earlier mentioned, that there are mean time to repair and mean time between failure breakdown analysis report, and then overall breakdown report, which will be carried out through the notification T code like IW29, which can display the overall notifications and the breakdown times against all the notifications and equipments. MCI7 is used for breakdown analysis, MCI8 used for cost analysis.
Okay, so Faizan, why are you looking for a change right this moment?
I would say one word, that grass never remains green. So I think it's time that that we have to move for a good opportunity, because I think now the grass is becoming yellowish. So I think it's now time to move.
Why are you thinking like that?
Because I think I can benefit someone through my knowledge and skills in SAP, so that they could foster their business and get profit from that.
Are you happy with your current organization, or there's some?
Yeah,
You are happy.
yeah, I'm happy.
Okay.
But
Okay. So
as a human, we are always look for a better opportunity.
Okay,
So I
so
think it's time
what is
to look for
your
that.
expectation? So you are looking for a better opportunity. What kind of opportunities you are looking for now?
I'm looking for that. I I look myself as a power user of that module. Wherever I would go, I think I should control overall that module. I am on the driving seat now.
Okay, Faizan, so thank you so much for attending this interview session. It was a nice discussion, and I hope best
Okay, thank you.
best of luck for you. So till
Okay,
this is the initial phase, you know. So once you are shortlisted
okay,
here, then you will be
yeah,
contacted. Okay, so let's hope for the best. Take care. Okay, Faizan.
okay,
See you.
okay, thank you.
Bye.
Okay, see you.